Hello everyone. I wanted to make a video, several videos actually, on the 7 Rules of Life poster that is hanging over the drinking fountain by the freshman hallway. I'm sure you've seen it, and Mr. Candela actually wrote an article about it in the Bearcat Quarterly a few months ago. But I wanted to go through it as well and explain some things that I think about it. So the first thing we're going to look at here is number 1, smile. It always works out in the end. And the first thing some of you might be thinking is, well, I know of situations where it didn't work out all right in the end and things didn't go the way I wanted it to. And that might be true. Life isn't perfect and things happen. What I want you to do is think about a few things, though. Number 1, was there anything you could have done to change that outcome? In other words, were there some things that you could have done differently, things you wish you would have done, and instead of some of the decisions that you made? And next time that situation comes around or something similar to it, make the right decision. So in other words, learn from your mistakes, okay? And you might be thinking, no, there was nothing I could do about it. The situation was totally out of my control, and it was something I had no control over. In that case, I would tell you, keep the most positive attitude you can, all right? Sometimes there's things in our life that we just can't control, and the best thing we can do is stay positive and remember the good things that we have going on in our life and focus on those and let go of the things that we can't control. Okay? But going back to the things that we can control, make sure, again, that you're making the best decisions possible. I'm a firm believer that if you continue to make good decisions over a long period of time, you'll have good outcomes, and vice versa. If you make bad decisions, you're probably going to have bad outcomes. Now, again, doesn't guarantee that everything will work out the way you want it to, but again, the more good decisions you make, the better chances you're going to have for good outcomes, especially over a long period of time. And again, take control over your own destiny. Okay? Try not to let other people influence you, especially if it's in a negative way, and make good decisions on your own for what's best for you. Okay? Now, if it's somebody that you know and trust and they're giving you good advice, obviously follow that. But don't follow bad advice. Okay? You know what's right and wrong. Make good decisions. And if things are too tough for you and you just really don't know what to do, again, reach out to those people that you know and trust for advice and for help. Okay, I'm not saying that you should do everything on your own. Definitely reach out for help if needed, but try and control your own life as much as you can, and good, make those good decisions. Okay, but overall, stay positive. That's what number 1's all about. Smile. It always works out in the end.